This video shows you how to generate performance reports using Coiled. If you've been using Dask, you may have encountered the Dask Diagnostic Dashboard. It looks something like this and provides useful information about the computations you are running on your cluster. Coiled allows you to save the information from this dashboard to a static HTML file, which is automatically saved to your Coiled account. This video will show you how to do that. So let's jump in. I've got a Jupyter Lab session running here in which I have imported the libraries we'll need. I have already spun up a cluster, and I've also created a fictional time series dataset for us to use. And as you can see on the right here, I'm using the Dask Jupyter Lab extension to visualize the dashboard in the same window as my code. We can now go ahead and import the performance report module from Coiled. And we'll use that as a context manager for the computation we want to analyze with our report. Let's go ahead and define a group by computation. We'll group by the name column and get the mean value of x. And when we call compute, we'll see that running. And whenever that's done, Coiled will spit out a link to the static HTML report. This report contains lots of valuable information about the computation we just ran and comes in handy when you're trying to optimize or debug your code. And the great thing about having a URL is that you can share it easily with colleagues or with the Coiled support team if they ask for it. To learn more about the information in this report, check out the Dask documentation. All right, you now know how to generate a performance report using Coiled. Next, maybe check out our material on managing clusters to put this information to good use.